Hi, it's Celeste Woodside, brand strategist from Helium Strategic. In other videos, we've been working on a beginner website in Squarespace for mind and mood massage. We've started from scratch and we've been building out all the components of the site. In this video, I wanted to talk about how to create a 404 page. So what is a 404 page? A 404 page is a page that an internet browser will send a user if they have typed in a link that no longer exists or if they've typed it in incorrectly. And often 404 pages are designed by web designers to let the user know that they have landed in the wrong place and to redirect them to another place on the website. So let's go ahead and create a 404 page for Jessica's website. So let's start in the main menu and click on Design and click on 404 page. You'll see that there's this drop-down menu. So right now our options are to direct the user to one of these pages so that if they land on the 404 page, we can automatically have them directed to the testimonials or the home page. But what we're going to do is create a new page. So we're going to go back to the main menu, select Pages, go under here to the Not Linked, select the plus sign. We're going to create a blank page and we're going to call it the 404 page. For now, we might change that. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Edit. And I'm going to choose an image for the background. And I'm going to select from library, and I'm going to use this main image that we used on the home page. Click Add. Now right now you'll see that it's showing this kind of middle starry section, but I want those trees to show. So I'm going to pull the focal point all the way down to the bottom. I've gone too far. That looks good for now. Make this a little bigger, the content width height. And then I'm going to add a quote. So I'm going to choose the quote block. And I've chosen a quote over here. Sometimes it takes a wrong turn to get you to the right place. So we choose that quote, copy. I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to go back and get the source. And I'm going to put that here. Taking out this. So I want to look at this on the mobile version first. I'm trying to decide if I think the black is too dark, but I think for the 404 page, it's okay. So the next thing I want to do is add a button. And I'm going to have the button say, take me home. And then I'm going to choose the home page. Save. Now this is a little hard to see. So I am going to change the color of the section to lightest 2. I think that might be what it already is. Let's try dark 2. That looks way better. And now we'll click Save. Looks great. We'll look at it on the mobile version. And now if someone clicks this button, it takes them to the home page. So now let's go to Design, 404 page, and now we can choose 404 page as the place users will land if they've entered an unworking link. So that's how you create a 404 page for a Squarespace website. If you have any questions on how I created this page, please feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to respond to comments. I hope this was helpful and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Please check out my other videos on how to create a Squarespace website. If you liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button, and it would be even more amazing if you would subscribe to my channel. If you click the bell icon, you'll be notified each time I publish a new video to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.